Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page in the weekend edition of Saturday, May the 18th, 2024. I've already solved 3 puzzles: the Sudoku with 4 stars, Killer Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the JigsawSudoku. JigsawSudoku number 85601. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, should be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. So I think maybe it's a 1 star or 2 stars puzzle. For 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For 2 stars, 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always 1. Only 1 single box, always 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. See here, dual box, the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Only 1 dual box. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. The other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes? No. How about quadrat boxes? No quadrat boxes. Quadrat boxes contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Mirror. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more in this puzzle? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Rotated, the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. Upside down. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have only 1, 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. Then these two boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5, but also these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 2 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes in the L-shaped area for the numbers 2 and the 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Now we have a double 2 there. That means that this box can be 2 and more. If we place 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then These two boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left of 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 5. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. We have a 2 in the same area. Should be a 3. Can be a 4 or a 5. You have double 4 there, double 5 there. Yeah, definitely the 3. 2 numbers left, 4 numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Okay. Then these two boxes can be 3. Those two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left of 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then, let me see. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box. Supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Alright. Then. Yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that those two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I can fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. The only place left for 2 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. This box can be 1. That box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 1. Well. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 4. 4 and 5, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This one is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Then this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be 4, but also that box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. This box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. No 4. Let me think. Come on. Yeah. We go up. 2, 4. Need a 4 there. Yeah, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 and 4, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4 is connected with that box, should be so 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, so it can be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. Eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Then 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area from numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape, supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, supposed to be here. Eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. Eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this area for number 5. 2 to 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. This box can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. And the last 2 numbers in this W area shape for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Well, not the 1 star, not the 2 stars. Should be a 0 stars because I'm faster than 13 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, we have an additional and a samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.